Want to take your Wix SEO to the next level by directly adding meta keywords, giving search engines a crystal clear picture of what your pages are all about? First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and on the dashboard of the website you want to edit. Next, click on Edit Site to open the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. Now, look at the top menu bar. You need to enable Dev Mode. Click on it if you don't see it. It might be under Settings or Tools, so have a look around. Enabling Dev Mode will open a code panel at the bottom of your screen. This is where you get to directly tweak the HTML. In the code panel, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled something like Page or Current Page. Use this to select the specific page you want to add meta keywords to. Now, it's time to add the meta keywords tag within the HTML code for that page. Find the opening tag. The tag will always start with a less than and end with a greater than right below the tag. You'll have to enter a single line of code. Replace your relevant keywords here with keywords that accurately describe the content of your page. Think about what people would type into Google to find your page. Finally, hit Save in the Wix Editor. To apply your changes, it's a good idea to preview your page to make sure everything looks as expected, and you're done. With these steps, you have successfully added meta keywords to your Wix website.